Uhuru. Uhuru means freedom and independence. Those were the opening words from the defense in the trial of the Uhuru 3 last year, September 3rd. This trial was the culmination of 2 years of the Hands Off Uhuru, Hands Off Africa Fight Back coalition, which popularized anti-colonial free speech and built a movement in support of that, which successfully defeated the US government in federal court, who had attempted to put 3 people in prison for 15 years each with $500,000 fines. They could not do so because they had no evidence of what they were claiming, which was that these people were working for Russia. Meanwhile, what they were expressing were criticisms of the United States government and of colonialism and imperialism for causing so much harm and damage over generations and today. The people came out in support of the Uhuru 3, Chairman Amalia Shatella, Chairwoman Penny Hess, and Chair Jesse Neville of the Uhuru Movement, who fought for everyone's right to criticize the government and to express views against oppression and for the liberation of everyone, for everyone's self-determination, for everyone to be free, and for everyone to have self-government. This was a powerful experience to be there in person. I got to witness so many people. The courtroom was overflowing every day. And the government could not present a case. They had no evidence, and they spent tens of millions of dollars trying to intimidate the people into taking some type of plea deal. It didn't work. The people waged a resistance and succeeded. Today, the Uhuru Movement continues the struggle with an appeal for the bogus conspiracy charge that they were convicted of. And it was really baseless. It had no grounds in reality, and it was totally contradictory. The Uhuru Solidarity Movement is currently running a campaign called the Days of Reparations to African people. And this campaign goes towards supporting anti-colonial, liberating economic development institutions of the Uhuru Movement. These are actively constructing solutions for the generations of colonialism being carried out in this country. And there's over 50 economic development institutions that will be supporting through this process of raising tens of thousands of dollars. This is the way that white people can take a stand against colonialism, parasitic capitalism, and recognize the material basis for the wealth that so many white people have access to. It's at the expense of the peoples of the world, at the expense of the African working class and colonized and oppressed peoples. We can take a stand with the peoples of the world for their independence, for their liberation, for them to have power over their own lives. This is what we call reparations in action, material solidarity with the African working class and colonized peoples. This is the place for white people to contribute all of the wealth that's been stolen towards the movement that's working for the liberation of all. Hands off Uhuru, hands off Africa.